instructional video series for tent jack assembly. Assemble the parts that you'll need. First, the canopy jack base and wheels. Second, your canopy jack mast, either in 10-foot 6-inch or 13-foot 4-inch size. Third, the winch assembly. And fourth, the web top roller. You'll also need a wrench and a socket set. Lay out the components in the corresponding locations. The base assembly will be located at the bottom of the mast. The winch assembly will be positioned about 4 feet up from the bottom of the mast, and the web top roller will be positioned at the top of the mast. Assemble and connect the canopy jack base with wheels to the canopy jack mast. This connection will be supported with a through bolt that should be tightened when complete. Assemble and connect the canopy jack winch assembly to the canopy jack mast. Tighten these bolt connections fully. Next, assemble the canopy jack top roller to the top of the canopy jack mast and bolt into place. Now install and pin the mast stabilization feet to the canopy jack base. This will give your tent jack more support as it's used. Now raise the jack onto its base. At this time, you can pull out all of the webbing on the winch that will feed through the top roller assembly. Lay the jack back down on the ground. At the end of the web is a hook and ring connection that will get passed through the canopy jack top web roller. Once the web is passed through the canopy jack top web roller, you can connect it to the bottom base and tilt the jack back up onto its base. To wind the jack, rotate the handle in a clockwise motion. The gear will break on its own. To unwind the web, rotate in a counterclockwise motion. When you let go of the handle, the gear will break. For transportation, the feet of the jack base can be moved to the inner pin location. These jack legs should be fully extended anytime the jack is being used for lifting.